Okay, guys, we will make a U-shaped stair with glass frameless railing. Okay, to start, open your architecture, Revit, click architecture, stair, select your uh, property to monolithic stair. So click the screen. As you can see, if I zoom it, you will see the number of steps is increasing. So I want my stair to be 6 steps. Okay, sorry. So I want my stair to be 1,500 wide. So I'll set this one 1,500. I set my unit to millimeter. So click again on the screen. I set this one to monolithic. Click, and then as you can see, while I'm dragging it up, it is increasing the number of steps and it's showing how much the balance. So I want my stair to start at 6, and then zoom up. Uh, since we will make a new U-shaped stair, place your mouse on this end. Don't click it. Then drag it up. Now you will see the measurement. So you type 750. So why 750? 750 mm is the half size of this total length. So zoom down, drag it on the right until you see the 6 remaining steps. I just want to make it same with the uh, other side. So click again. So place your mouse here at the end, drag it on the right, and you type 750, and then move it downward. Okay, so press OK, and then let us see on 3D. Okay, guys, we will remove this uh, railing and replace it with frameless glass. Let's go now to level 1, and let's start removing this railing. Okay, now let's check. Before we proceed to making a glass, I will show you. Once you start the Revit, making this monolithic, you will experience this kind of construction. In my experience, we don't do this kind, so we will fix it. Okay, so I will zoom it. I'll show you. Now, click the stair, go to edit type. You can see this landing type. Click and then type 180. Look at this. Let's apply, and then okay, apply, okay, and then now it's fixed. It's corrected. Okay, so we will now begin the making the glass railing in this view. So but we cannot just start on this view without setting a proper plane. So how we will we do that? Go to architecture, components, model in place, select generic model, press OK. So you can type any name, but for me, I want my name to be easy to remember. So glass railing. Okay. So now select the extrusion, set the work plane, pick a plane, and select this area. Okay. So now let's make the view active. Now it's active. Okay. Let's zoom up. So I want my glass start on this space 25 mm. So I will write 25 mm. Okay. And this depth is the glass thickness. So normally glass thickness for the railing will be like 18 mm to 21. But we're using 20. Okay. And then this is the most important. The extrusion on this one, extrusion end is the gap in between of this stair face up to the external face of the glass. So I will make it 63. I will explain to you why 63. So when the extrusion start is the gap in between of this space up to the internal face of the glass. So I will make it 43. And then before you do that, don't forget to click the material. So look for the glass. So select glass, press OK, then OK, and then now it's already glass. Go to our workplane. So I will select this one. I'll offset to 25, and then from the floor, I want it to be raised 15 mm, and then 25 mm from this edge. You can decide your own, but as per my experience, we use 25 mm from that face. So I will connect this. So as a rule of thumb, the top uh, height of the railing is 1000 or 1.1 meter. So 11 mm, 1100 mm. So then I will delete this one, connect. Remember guys, you have to close this reference line for you to able the extrusion command. So since I want the same angle here, I will just double click and copy, sorry, this one here. Okay, and then I will close now. I need to double check. Okay, so let's go now to plan view. Press OK. Now, just check the depth of the glass, the thickness of the glass is 20 mm. So the extrusion 63, the start is 43. Let's now check if it's correct before we press the final. Go to annotate, zoom up. So let now it should be 63. Now it's okay. And then it should be 43. Okay. And then 20. So now it's okay. Let's press the final OK. Now it's glass. You can see now visible. So we have to go to another side of the stair. As we mentioned before we can start to draw to any side, we have to set the work plane. So again, click the glass, edit in place, create, extrusion, set the work plane, pick a plane, and then select this. Okay, and then set. Now, this view is the active. Again, I want my glass to start from this space 25 mm. Since we set everything, now it's proper. So 25, sorry, 25. Why as 25? So zoom. And then 15 from the bottom. And then 25 mm from here, from this space. So let's connect them. So rule of thumb, I will make the top should be 1100. Okay, so we have to delete the other reference line, and then let's connect them, these two. So we will copy the same again, the bottom part. So this already connected. So again, I'll copy this and then join. Press OK. Before we define, press this final OK, let's go to level 1 and let's just check again the measurement. So annotate, align. Let's check the measure. Should be 63. Okay, now 63. Should be 43. Should be 20. Okay. Now since okay, I will press the okay. So let's go now to level 2. Uh, Other side. Guys, if you don't apply glass on this surface, you will not see the stair. So from the start, you have to set it. Again, we have to do the final uh, glass. So we have to work on this plane. Again, click the stair, edit in place, create, extrusion, set the work plane, pick a plane, select this one, and then make it enable. So now the view is active. We will repeat the same procedure, 25 mm. Okay, and 15 mm at the bottom, 25 mm from this base, and then I will draw the top railing. So as we mentioned, it should be 1100. Oh my god. I cannot pick. Wait, guys. So I don't know why I cannot pick this. Anyway, 1 1. Okay, so delete this one, join them. Again, we will do the same procedure. Click, copy, and then close. Press OK. So again, let's check to level 2. Go to level 2. So again, you have to check before pressing the final. So 63, 43. The thickness of the glass is 20. Okay. So now it's okay. So now guys, save your project for the next video. We will create this sketch of the bracket. So this 20 should be our glass. So pay attention to the size. So save your drawing, and then we will proceed to the next video for the creating aluminum bracket. So hello guys, we will now start creating the aluminum bracket. So go to architecture, component, model and place, look for generic model. Okay, so I will type glass bracket. Okay, so now we will use the revolve, and then select boundary line. As we discussed, we will make this one, right? So our length is 71. We'll make a reference boundary line until we make half of that bracket. So 17, then 8, so 9, half of this middle bracket, because we will revolve the bracket. So boundary line, okay, remove this. So we I will make a little okay. So now it's half of this uh, bracket. We have to close all. After this, okay, apply the material first before we final that one. So aluminum, where can we find aluminum? Okay, so this is aluminum, and then press uh, axis line. So from here to here. So it will start revolving from this edge. So okay, now let's check the 3D. Then press OK. Let's check. Okay, so before we can move this one, we have to go to this view. Sorry. Okay. Again, let's go to level 1. I mean the plan. Now it's okay. So let's copy this one. So guys, uh, the placement of this bracket, it depends on the stair for the stair width. So for demonstration purposes, we will place this one uh, anywhere we want. So I'll just copy. I'll put it here. Okay. And then I will copy again. Normally 100 is behind. Okay. Now, since this is okay, we have to copy all. Click multiple. So this is our reference. Base point. Okay. Now, everything is okay. Let's check the 3D. Now you can see everything is in this place. Again, we have to continue this one on the all the remaining side. How will we do that? Just select this one and then copy mirror. Use this one to copy mirror. Okay. Again, let's check the 3D. So now we have to go to this plane. So select. Now it's okay. So we will move it. Same thing. We will just copy this one. I didn't put reference line because if you can see from this line to this line, it should be middle now. After I place this one roughly in the middle of these two, I will start now doing the copy. Okay. Again, click multiple, copy, place it here until we finish the whole stair. Okay. Now to continue, we have to copy this to the last steps. Okay. So again, copy mirror should be 45. Let's check the 3D. Let's make the plane to be the workplane to be the active viewport. Now we have to move it up. There's a proper gap and draw measurement for this, but it's up to you. At the moment, this is only for demonstration purposes. Again, I will select, copy, roughly put it in the middle, and then copy again, and then make copy and make sure again it's multiple. Okay, now everything is okay. Let's check the 3D. Now guys, I hope this tutorial uh, will help you. Just if you're not still subscriber, please click the subscribe and watch for my next tutorial. Thank you.